Hello and welcome back to the Ras Al Khaimah Fine Art Festival. I'm Azza Naimi.
And I'm Ethan David Lee, and we're going to show you around Al Jazirah Al Hamra for our 10th anniversary festival.
In 2022, the Ras Al Khaimah Fine Art Festival celebrates a convenient of journeys, our 10th anniversary, and the UAE 50th anniversary.
In our annual celebration of contemporary art, we reflect on the journey of the festival, Ras Al Khaimah and the United Arab Emirates, and encourage our community to consider their relationship with space, time and the self.
We invited artists to consider the nation of journey through the lens of ancestry, migration, national identity and personal growth. Where has our journey taken us? Where has our journey taught us about our present? And how will our journey inform our future?
This year's featured artist is Ras Al Khaimah-based Emirati photographer Yusuf Al-Zami. His exhibition, titled Ras Al Khaimah and UAE, Past, Present and Futures, traces the journey of the Emirati people over the generations and explores how Emirati values and cultural traditions are evolving in modern society.
In Bait 5, guest curator Sharon Tuval presents a range of works that show the wide range of complex identities that make up contemporary Israeli society in his exhibition, Longing Belonging, on post-Orientalist influences in contemporary Israeli art.
Bait 7 hosts the work of our US Mission Grant artists Kristen Decker and Selma Chatterford Hughes in their exhibition Identity in Location.
This year, we've extended the exhibition to include new renovated baits.
The RACFAF Curatorial Development Programme, presented in collaboration with the NYU AD Art Gallery, resides in Bait 8. Young curator Abarami Suresh explores the transactional relationship between the individual and the environments they live with and within in her exhibition, Where We Dwell.
In Villa 9, we find the work of our inaugural artist-in-resident, Leonardo Montoya, and the exhibition Channeling Change Inside the Designer's Brain, a series of work curated by Margaret Wallenberg for the Embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands.
Also in Beit 9, our artist-in-residence Peri Al-Ashmawi is exhibiting her exhibition, Reliving an Homage to Old Traditions in Modern Society, to conclude her 6th-month residency with the Al-Qasmi Foundation. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual visit to the 10th annual Ras Al Khaimah Fine Arts Festival, and we look forward to seeing you in person soon.
The exhibition runs from February 4th to March 31st, 2022, with events and activities and workshops throughout February.
From all of us at RACFAF, thank you for visiting.
مع السلامة.